Well, yeah, thank you. I'm ready. Oh, I don't. You can turn the light from the bottom. You know that, right? I just walked upstairs. What? There's a light. Huh? Huh? Hey guys, so really, oh, you guys can't even see me. Hey guys, so really quick, I just want to go over my reset so far. So I had this, I did add something else, but this is Sunday reset. Clean my bathroom, check, we finished that, so I'm gonna check it off. And then do laundry, I'm still fully not done. I just did one load, but I guess I don't know if I should check that. Reorganize, so I just clean my bedroom. I quickly did the first half. It's just like, I feel like midweek sometimes I'm just in a rush in the morning, so like I'll throw stuff and then I don't, like I'll come back home and I'm tired. Sometimes I'll pick it up and there's some days I just don't. I'm just being honest. So that's why I kind of just went through out whatever needs to be thrown out that was on the floor. So now my floor is clean in the front. The back I have to just pick up a few things, but not too much stuff. But I need to hop in the shower because I need to go grab breakfast. Funny thing is, now I'm hungry, but like I ate at like 1 a.m. this morning. Long story short, what happened was I went to church yesterday, but I went to like an older church that like my mom, like some of my family members used to go to. They were having a 50th anniversary celebration, so like that service was so long, and then I had a couple of snacks, then I ate a little bit at my grandma's house, but then I ended up falling asleep for like, and I thought I was gonna wake up in like an hour. Put an alarm and everything. The alarm didn't go off, or I don't know what happened to going off and I turned it off. I don't know what happened in my sleep, but I ended up sleeping for 2 hours. And I woke up, it was like 9:30. That's how I know I was really tired, because if I didn't hear it, nobody. So then after I took a shower, and then I'm like, but I'm still hungry. So it was like literally, guys, like 12 something in the morning, and I was like, I'm hungry. I'm sorry. So I just had some cereal. I didn't eat something too heavy. Like I just had cereal. But anyway, so I'm not like dying of hunger, but I'm starting to get hungry again now. So yeah, I'm gonna go shower, and then I still have on my list to do my toes. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it. My goal was probably to do it like after I eat breakfast, but my thing is I don't know, because I'm currently using, I mean I can move my laptop over here, but I'm using my laptop for something right now, and my laptop's on my what do you call this, on my chair, and I also don't feel like, I don't know, I just don't feel like doing my toes right now. Like I have it on my list, but it's like I don't know if I just want to wait it out till Wednesday. But then again, Wednesday I want to go to the mall, so I don't even know, because Wednesday I have off is what I'm trying to say. So I don't know if I want to, or something just occurred to me, maybe Wednesday I can just go to the nail salon and have my toes done in the mall, like spend an hour, get the toes done, and then do whatever else I want to do. Should I spend the money and get my toes done professionally, so then I don't have to proceed? The things I have to think about. But like, yeah, because it does take time even doing it at home, but at least if I'm sitting in that chair just on my phone watching something, that's so much better than when you have to physically do it. Not that I don't like saving the money and doing it myself, of course, but I don't know, now I'm starting to think, do I want to like push that to Wednesday when I'm off? We'll get back to that. Let me not talk to you guys so much. Totally forgot I was vlogging. This is going to be a short Sunday reset. I'm going to tell you guys right now. But I did go to the Dunkin'. I forgot I was filming, so I didn't bring my thing. I was supposed to like eating, do whatever I have to do. Right now, yeah, I decided I'm definitely for sure Wednesday I'm going to get my toes done. Like in the salon. I'm not gonna stress myself. I got too many other things to do. I have to, well, one, I want to finish watching the show. That's the first thing I want to do. So once I finish watching the show, then I have to do my other YouTube stuff. Oh, I need to do my calendar thing. So I'm going to actually do that now. But first, let me go put the rest of these other things in the washer. Yeah, and then I'm going to do that. I'm going to plan for the week, content for the week. Well, this will be one of the contents. This is going to be probably my shortest Sunday reset. Normally it's longer, but I'm kind of like doing it last minute and winging it. Not winging it, but I just feel like I was doing so much stuff during the week. So like that's why I feel like everything's like rushed now. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. And sometimes I feel like sometimes I do too much long content. So sometimes I just like switch it up and just make it like short and brief and be done. So that's what we're going to do today. So yeah, I just have to write in this planner, and then I have to just update my board on my wall. If you guys don't know my goals board, and then yeah, I have an idea of content. I'm waiting for packages. That's the problem too. Like I feel like sometimes I have content for you guys, but then I'm waiting for packages, so like delays all the content I was gonna initially post for you guys, and then I have to like be like any mini money mo, what should I post now, because I don't have anything to post. So yeah, well, I'm gonna do that because then I'm gonna keep on chattering, and then it's already like right now it's currently let's show you guys the time. It is currently 10:48 a.m. So I think I'm gonna, but like I said, I think actually I just like retrained my thought. And I'm gonna do my thing first, my planning for the week and everything, and then I'll watch the show because it's a Korean show that I'm watching currently. It's called, if anybody's interested in like Korean dramas, it's called Queen of Tears. So the new episode came out last night, but I told you guys the whole spiel about how I went to sleep late, and then I took a long nap, and then I woke up late, so then I totally forgot about it. And then this morning I'm like, wait, Queen of Tears is on. And lastly, I decided to do a voiceover for this part because I've been forgetting my mirrors. So my bedroom mirror. I also do my bathroom mirror, but I didn't want to make this lengthy. You guys get the point. I actually like this mirror cleanser. I got it from, I believe, Marshall's a while back. It doesn't leave any smears, so that's what I like about it. But anyway, yeah, that's the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the Sunday reset. It was short and sweet, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.